again.
Closer na medyo ano kayo.
We are so excited to have you here today to celebrate the cause that is changing lives across the globe. I am Miss Grace Espanol, and I...
Good morning, everyone. My respect to our school principal, Sir Arnulfo S. Miro, to the faculty and staff of heartfelt gratitude to Planet Water in cooperation of Starbucks Philippines for bringing us clean water access to communities worldwide. Your tireless efforts to provide this basic necessity are truly inspiring, and we are very much thankful for your dedication and compassion. Thank you for being a beacon of hope for those who lack access to clean water. Your work is making a tangible difference in the lives of countless individuals. Promised Land. Where am I? Is this the real world? A lot of things are in my mind. I may be young and innocent, but not ignorant. I can clearly see what's present. I can only imagine life when the world was first created. A beautiful scene yet to be exploited. If the word could not speak, it would tell us how much is earth. All of us can do something, but not everyone is willing to do it. Now, I can't imagine what the future holds. Living, hoping, praying. The chances are getting thinner every time. Time is running out. We better do it now.
Good morning. Good morning, children. Ayan, nag-breakfast sila. Daming energy. So, I am Ate Ains from Starbucks Philippines, and we are excited to be here. So, may nakakaalam ba kung sino at ano si Starbucks? Tama, coffee. So, si Starbucks Philippines po, license po siya by Rustan Coffee Corporation. So, last December 4, 1997, nag-open po yung first store namin sa 6750 Makati City. So, since then,
for this opportunity that you are in one of the schools of one of the 1,265 schools of Camarines Sur. Para sa inyong proyekto.
mga bata, stay lang dyan.
For example, SM, every 3 to 6 months may pinapalit ang components.
Go, madam! Go, madam!
Sa tubig para sa buong daigdig! 1, 2, 3 PWS mabuhay!
Good things are happening! Yeah! Woo! Ulas check. Ulas check. So yan. Fresh pa naman. Hello vlog. Current situation. Hello vlog.
Mount Pili West.
Yes. Uy, ginawa namin yan. In-assemble po namin yan. Wala na po.
Nasa sagot baga.
Yun ah! Woo! Ito po.
Ako na rin dito na tubero ah.
Mga tubero na po dito. Ayun! Sikit na? Yes!
Expert tayo, water break muna.
Yay! Kuha kang isa. Kuha kang isa. Thank you, Starbucks. Thank you, Starbucks. Thank you.
I swear.
Tama, may talong.
Panalo.
Kuya, linsa yan, pre. Ha? Action!
Step number 1, wet your hands.
One.
Good.